Hi everybody, Logan at Enduro Engineering, here to talk to you about the off-road light kits that we offer for KTM and Husqvarna motorcycles. On all the headlights, like this TX300 we have here, all your wiring is there to where it's just plug and play. An option we offer at Enduro Engineering is this brake pedal switch to activate your off-road taillight into a brake light. All the wiring comes right up and plugs into your existing wiring harness, making everything a plug and play option. For the Enduro Engineering off-road light kits on the 4-stroke models, such as the KTM SXF and the XCF and the Husqvarna FC and FX models, you will need an extra wiring harness that comes with the kit for those models. For the 2-stroke models, such as this TX300 we have here, and the Husqvarna TC models, the KTM SX and XC models, it'll come just like we showed you today. To order yours, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit enduroeng.com.